poverty is no problem, not a big problem. No food is not a big problem. No security is not a big problem. No money is not a big problem. No house is not a big problem. Subhanallah, you can go in the street. You can go in a street. A person with no clothes, just small clothes, broken clothes, no food, no house, no bed, no phone, but sleeping in the street very peacefully. What happened to this man? He sleeps in the street, no, with just dirty clothes, no enough food, no house, no nothing. He's sleeping, subhanallah, in the park. No problem. Just put the cartoon and he's sleeping. Is he not better than a person, a millionaire? Millionaire, very big house, too much food, many cars, but he cannot sleep at the night. He go to doctor, doctor, I cannot sleep, give me medicine to sleep. Subhanallah. What is the more problem? Food is a problem? Money is a problem? Cloth is a problem? No. The problem is your heart. A rich person cannot sleep. No sleeping. Doctor give him medicine, I want to sleep. I cannot sleep. Subhanallah. And doctor is giving him poison. This is poison because he makes your brain to be killed. He gives you the medicine, your brain will paralyze. Your brain become no thinking anymore. So once you become paralyzed, you become like feeling like, and then you sleep. But it's not the sleep. It's addiction. It's not the sleep that is killing you. Slow poisoning. So, we were passing to the Lopez. We were passing there. And then we have a break. And then there were children sleeping on the Lopez on the roadside. And we wake up, get up, ready. He don't like to wake up. He's sleeping. Like he's sleeping in the 5-star hotel. Sleeping very comfortably. But the people in the 5-star hotel, they cannot sleep. Anxiety, depression. So big problem is not the food. Big problem is not the money. The big problem is not the clothes and not the house. The big problem is anxiety. And all of us can be victim anytime. Unless we make communication with Allah. Day or night, exclusively give the time for remembering Allah. Forget everyone. Even yourself, forget about yourself. All your problems, forget them all. Remember Allah.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment.